Hello, in front of me I have REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on this device. Okay, so let's begin with our lock screen and the setup process of it, because you know that's like the key level of our security. To do it, open up your settings, now scroll down a little until you find security and privacy. Now let's click on set screen lock. We have three types of a screen lock. We have pattern, pin or password. Simply select the type that you want to use. In my case, I'll select the pattern. Now we need to wait 5 seconds. Also, you need to be aware that if you lose your password, you'll be forced to reset your device using the recovery mode, and it will cause that all of your data will be deleted. So simply create a password that you will remember. Now we can click on next. Now when it comes to the pattern, as you take a look, those 9 dots appeared on the screen, and to create a pattern we need to connect at least 4 of them. So simply create your pattern. If you want to try again, you can always click on clear and draw the pattern that you want. Now to save it, click on next, and now we need to draw it once again to save it. Now click on OK, click on done, and now our screen lock has been set. Also, we can add our face recognition and the fingerprint. To do it, click on the device unlock, and in here let's click on fingerprint and face unlock. Draw your pattern to confirm, and now I'll show you how to set the fingerprint. Simply click on that, click on more and agree, and now our sensor is located on our power button right in here. So we just need to simply place our finger right in here. When you feel a little vibration, you need to lift up your finger and then place it again. Simply repeat that process until your finger is saved. Also, your hands should be clean. Same thing with the sensor. So we'll have 100% sure that it's going to be saved properly. So repeat the process until the fingerprint is saved. Alright, fingerprint added. If you want, you can add more. To save it, click on done. And now our fingerprint has been saved. And now let me show you how it works. So I will turn off our device, the screen. Let's begin with the lock screen. Simply draw a pattern to unlock your device. Really easy thing. And now let's try with the fingerprint. Simply place it on the power button and the phone also gets unlocked. Pretty easy thing. Let's go back into the settings. We also have the face unlock. It is really easy to set it. I'll show you where to do it. Click on simply face unlock, scroll down and click on agree, and now all you need to do is to click on start, and you need to place your face inside of that frame to save your face. Alright, in here we can also click on the theft protection. It is a pretty useful thing. We have the theft detection lock and the offline device lock. When it comes to theft detection lock, it works in that way that, for example, when thief takes your device and starts running, the phone will recognize it that someone increased his speed and started running, and that's the moment when our device will lock its screen. You can read about it right in here. Someone abruptly takes your device, then speeds away, your screen locks. We can click on OK to enable, and we also have the offline device lock. Thieves often turn off internet service immediately so that no one can track the device that they have stolen. Also pretty useful thing. Remember that you should have your location turned on if you want to use that features. Okay, below we also have the remote lock. Also really useful thing. We can enable it. Let me only adjust the brightness a little. It works in that way that when this feature is on, we need to also have our SIM card inserted or eSIM activated. When our phone gets stolen or lost, we can go into that page, android.com/lock, and we can type our phone number to remotely lock the screen of our device. No sign in or Google account needed. Pretty cool thing. Also worth enabling. And on the bottom we have find and erase your device feature. I highly recommend turning it on. We have 2 ways to use it. We can use the app or the web. For example, let's click on Find Hub Web currently. Oh, I don't have internet connection, so I won't show you that yet. Basically, then when you click on that, the Google page will appear, and you will have to sign in into your Google account on which you were logged in on your lost or stolen device. Then a menu will appear. You'll be able to find your device. You can do it on any other phone or, for example, on computer. You'll see a list of your devices associated with the Google account. There you'll be able to find your REALME. And in that page, you can remotely lock the screen of your device and also even perform a factory reset. So the thief won't have access into your data. But remember, you need to log in into the Google account on which you were logged in on your REALME. If you can find your Google account as you go back, scroll down all the way in the settings, you click on Google, and in here you have your Google account that you are currently logged into. You will have to log in into the same. Okay, now let's go back into security and privacy, and let's click on App Security now, and let's click on Google Play Protect. Actually, let me connect with the Wi-Fi. Give me a second. Okay, now click on Google Play Protect, and in here we'll be able to find some harmful apps, if there are any, of course. Currently, no harmful apps found. We can also manually, from time to time, click on Scan to see is everything okay. If something will be wrong, simply follow the instruction on the screen to get rid of the problems. Okay, everything is fine right in here, so we can go back. Now let's go into the account security. I have shown you everything under the device unlock. Click on account security. And in here, for example, in my case, I have a suggestion to fix the recovery email for my current Google account. Now let's click on Google Security Checkup. In here, you can see some potential threats also, or suspicious actions. In here, I have that a suggestion that I should do, but everything else is fine. And also, again, if something will be wrong, simply follow the instruction on the screen to solve the problems. We can also click on the password checkup. In here, we'll be able to see, do we have some compromised passwords? Are our passwords unique? And are our passwords strong? I think that I don't need to tell you that you should keep your passwords strong. They should be unique. You shouldn't be using only one password into everything, into all of your accounts, because there's a really high chance that if the thief or hacker will break one of your passwords, he'll try to use it for different things. So you should use different ones. Same thing, of course, with the compromised passwords. And don't use passwords such as ABCD 1 2 3 4 5, because you know that's like the easiest password possible. Even a child can break it, so you should avoid that. All right, let's go back. Everything is fine in here. I have shown you the device finders. In here we have that Find Hub that I was talking about before. Now let's click on System and Updates to see, can we download some updates? It's always good to have the latest version of your software. In my case, when it comes to the security update, everything is up to date, but we can also manually, just to make sure, click check for update manually. Everything is fine, so we don't need to download anything. If you have that possibility, you should do this ASAP. Now click on Google Play System Update. It's also good to have the latest version. And in my case, as you take a look, I have update possible, so I'll click download and install later, because I have other things that I want to show you. But if you have that possibility, you also should do this as soon as possible. Now we have the backup. It is also a really cool function. Also, I highly recommend creating a one. Basically, the backup saves our data in the cloud. This kind of backup, because it's the Google backup, saves our data in the cloud. So even after our phone gets stolen or lost, we still be able to restore the data on our new device, thanks to the backup. So let's click on that. Remember that this backup is stored on your Google account that you're currently logged into. I have shown you before where to find it. And now click on Photos and Videos. Make sure that the backup in here is enabled. And same thing with the other device data, make sure it's enabled. Also down below, you can see this bar. It says how many free storage space you have in your cloud. You need to have enough to create a backup. If you don't have enough, simply you can delete something. Okay, and remember that if you would like to restore that backup in the future, you will have to log in into the same Google account on which you made it. So in my case, for example, it will be this one account. Okay, now to create a backup, simply hit this green button. After that, in here, in the place of this green cloud, a small circle will appear and it's going to fulfill. And when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We will also see a notification in here down below under other device data with the date and the hour, and it's like another confirmation that everything went successfully and our backup is made. Okay, now in here, let's go back this time and let's go into the special features. In here, under security and safety, we have the app lock, private safe, and possibility to hide the apps. Let's begin with the app lock. Let's click on that. Click on get it. We need to set a privacy password first, so click on the settings. You can enter and set a new 6-digit password or use a different password type. We have 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16, a pattern or the alphanumeric. It's up to you. I'll show you the pattern once again. Actually, I'll use the same that I have set as my screen lock, but you should avoid that. Now we can set the security question. Currently we have format teacher's name, but we can select other questions from that list or set a custom one. Okay, now type the answer. And tap on the top right corner to save it. Okay, now in here we have a list of apps that we can log. So let's try to log, for example, the Netflix. We can also use the fingerprint as an unlock method. Let's use it. And also let's try to log TikTok, for example. Okay, and now let's try to launch Netflix. I'm only wondering where it is because it disappeared. Let me find it. Okay, I want to tap it and boom, it needs verification. So we can use the privacy password or verify with the fingerprint, and only then the Netflix will be launched. So it is also pretty cool thing worth enabling. Now let's try with the TikTok. Also, we need to verify or use the privacy password to get access into this app. You can see that it launched. Okay, we also have the private safe. Click on special features, private safe, enter your privacy password, and in here you can add images and videos, audio files, documents, and other files to keep in here with extra security level. If you go into the settings, you can change your privacy password if you want. If you don't like the previous ones. We have also other unlock methods. We can use the face unlock or the fingerprint. So I'll select the fingerprint, for example. And now if you want to add something, let's try with the images and videos. Simply tap, click on add, and now you can add the things from your gallery. Now click on set as private, and now it has been added right in here. Pretty cool thing. And we can also hide some apps. Enter your privacy password. Again, you have the list of apps that will be hidden. So let's try to hide, for example, again, the TikTok, just to show you it's right in here. It's going to disappear from that place, so let's enable it. Okay, here it is. Tap on that, click on set now, and now we need to set access code. Your access code must start and end with a hashtag and contain 1 to 16 digits in between. So type the hashtag first and type your numbers. So let's say I'll use really easy thing, just like that. Okay, everything is set up. If you would like to access your hidden apps, you need to type that in the dial pad. You can read about it in your phone app, of course. Now click on that. Let's enable the TikTok. You can see that it appeared from the home screen, just like I was telling you before. And now let's try to get access into our hidden apps. So open up your phone app, then the keypad, type your code, boom, click on OK. Oh, actually, it's one of the secret codes that I have forgot about. So I think that we need to change the code. So let's do it. I forgot that it works in that way. So access methods, access code. Now let's change it. For example, something like that. Okay. No, something has lagged. Weird thing. Access methods. Something has lagged. A really weird thing. So let's try, for example, with the via home screen icon. It should appear right in here now. Okay, hide apps. Now let's verify. Oh, something actually has lagged, but it should work in your case. I don't know why. In my case, it's bugged. Let me only maybe. Let's unhit it. Maybe it's even in the app lock still locked, so that might be the problem. Let's hide the apps once again. Maybe now something else. Maybe the YouTube. And let's do it once again. Hide apps. Verify. Oh, weird thing. Something has bugged in my case. I think I will have to reboot this device to do it. Okay. As we go into settings, I think that's all right in here, but I would like to check only one thing. We can also enable turn on the phone manager, and we can click on viruses and risk and click on the scan to see is everything okay. Do we have some potential threats? It's going to take a little bit, so simply be patient until it's done. Okay, as you can take a look, everything is secured, no threats found, so it's always good to manually perform that scan from time to time. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.